Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct has recently added new EcoPod and EcoTouch reflective ultrasonic level sensors from the brand Flowline. Flowline's ultrasonic sensors feature a proprietary reflective technology. These new Flowline level sensors provide reliable level measurements for applications that weaken signal strength and reduce measurement reliability due to condensation. Newly available models include a general-purpose version and an intrinsically safe version for hazardous environments. Both are available with continuous level measurement, switching, and control capabilities. Standard 4 to 20 mA output can be monitored by a PLC or other controller. Models with 4 relays can be configured for level alarms and or standalone level control, such as automatic fill or empty functions. All sensors are configured with the free-to-download WebCal software and provide limited configuration via the integral push-button display module. The Flowline EcoPod UG06 and UG12 series are corrosion-resistant. The EcoTouch US06 series are corrosion-resistant and Type 4X IP66 rated. Both series have these agency approvals and are made in the USA. Learn more by visiting automationdirect.com/liquid-level-sensor. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.